In this video, we will explore the 5 best air fryer ovens in 2026, breaking down their features, performance, capacity, and overall value to help you choose the right one for your kitchen. From advanced cooking technology to family-sized options, we cover it all. Check the description below for the latest prices and product links. Let's get started. Number 5. Acekool 5 Quart. The Acekool 5 Quart Digital Display Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is designed to streamline your kitchen with one powerful space-saving appliance. Powered by a 1500-watt heating system, it delivers fast and consistent performance across 8 built-in cooking presets. From steak and chicken to seafood and desserts, each mode is calibrated to simplify meal preparation without constant adjustments. A transparent glass viewing window lets you monitor your food as it cooks, removing the guesswork and helping you achieve precise results. The LED digital touchscreen is responsive and intuitive, allowing you to select cooking mode, adjust temperature, and set time with just a few taps. Advanced 360-degree hot air circulation surrounds your food evenly, producing a crisp exterior and tender interior with up to 95% less oil compared to traditional deep frying. Safety features include built-in overheating protection and an automatic shutoff function, offering peace of mind during everyday use. The unit is constructed from premium food-grade materials that are free from perfluorooctanoic acid and bisphenol AA, supporting healthier cooking standards. Cleanup is just as convenient. The stainless steel accessories are dishwasher safe, and the dual-layer non-stick coating helps prevent residue buildup, making maintenance quick and hassle-free. Number 4. Balashov Smart Air Fryer. The Balashov Smart Air Fryer is built to simplify healthy cooking with a refined modern design and an advanced holographic touchscreen interface. Its spacious 7-liter capacity makes it ideal for family-sized meals, reducing the need for multiple batches. Whether you are preparing crispy French fries, roasted vegetables, or baked dishes, the versatile cooking modes support frying, roasting, and baking with consistent performance. At the core of the system is a powerful 2,400-watt metal panel combined with a unique bicyclic stereo design. This configuration promotes even heat distribution, helping food cook thoroughly on all sides. The high-definition viewing window allows you to monitor progress in real time, giving you greater control without interrupting the cooking cycle. Safety and convenience are thoughtfully integrated. The built-in power failure protection automatically shuts the unit off if the basket is removed during an outage. Once power returns, placing the basket back into position allows the air fryer to resume cooking from where it stopped, preserving both time and food quality. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to the removable dishwasher, safe basket, and durable non-stick surface. The intuitive color display enables precise temperature adjustments and quick mode selection with a simple tap. Overall, the Balashov Smart Air Fryer delivers reliable performance, user-friendly controls, and a practical solution for preparing healthier meals every day. Number 3. Miui 5-liter Air Fryer. The Miui 5-liter Air Fryer is engineered for efficient and reliable cooking, combining durable construction with intelligent heat management. Built from premium materials, it features copper fire-resistant cables and 304 stainless steel heating tubes that promote fast, consistent heating while supporting long-term durability. The multi-layer composite carbon steel explosion-proof basket is designed to handle high temperatures, offering added strength and dependable performance over time. A key highlight is its advanced temperature control algorithm, which continuously stabilizes internal heat levels to deliver evenly cooked results. This smart regulation reduces hotspots and helps maintain the ideal cooking environment for a wide range of dishes. Working alongside the system is a dual-channel fan with high-speed airflow that circulates heat efficiently, shortening cooking times while preserving natural flavor and nutrients. The integrated viewing window allows you to monitor progress without opening the basket, preventing unnecessary heat loss and maintaining consistent cooking conditions. Cleanup is equally convenient thanks to the silicone non-stick coating, which minimizes residue and makes wiping down the interior quick and simple. With a 5-liter capacity, the Miui air fryer adapts easily to both small snacks and full family meals. From crispy chicken wings to roasted vegetables and baked desserts, it delivers healthier results with less oil while maintaining texture and taste through precise temperature control and efficient air circulation. Number 2. Cosori Pro 2 Air Fryer. The Cosori Pro 2 Air Fryer Oven Combo delivers versatile performance with 12 customizable cooking functions designed for toasting, baking, air frying, reheating, and more. One-touch presets make it simple to prepare chicken, seafood, bacon, and frozen foods with consistent, reliable results. A standout feature is the ability to save your preferred time and temperature settings for each function, creating a personalized cooking experience tailored to your routine. You can also choose whether to activate the shake reminder, which helps achieve even crispiness for foods like French fries and chicken wings. Powered by Adapt IQ technology, this air fryer uses rapid 360-degree air circulation to distribute heat evenly around your food. The result is a crispy exterior and tender interior with significantly less oil compared to traditional frying methods. The 5.8 quart square basket provides ample space, large enough to fit a 5-pound chicken or meals suitable for 3 to 5 people. The non-stick basket is dishwasher safe, making cleanup straightforward and efficient. For added value, the appliance includes a cookbook with 100 chef-crafted recipes to expand your meal options. Additional accessories, such as disposable liners, extra baskets, and accessory kits are also available. With its compact, modern design and advanced customization features, the Cosori Pro 2 Air Fryer offers practical performance for everyday healthy cooking. Number 1. Breville Smart Air Fryer Pro. The Breville Smart Air Fryer Pro is engineered to deliver precision cooking through its advanced Element IQ system. Equipped with 6 quartz heating elements and intelligent control algorithms, it directs heat exactly where it is needed for consistent and balanced results. Digital proportional integral derivative temperature control maintains stable heat levels, helping to eliminate cold spots and prevent overcooking. The dedicated air fry function uses superconvection technology to create a crispy golden texture with minimal oil. This feature is ideal for French fries, chicken wings, and roasted vegetables, producing a satisfying crunch while keeping meals lighter. For those interested in healthy snacks, the integrated dehydrator function supports up to 4 trays simultaneously, making it convenient to prepare dried fruits, jerky, or vegetable chips at home. Superconvection technology operates with 2 fan speeds, offering greater flexibility. The higher speed enhances air frying and dehydrating, while the lower speed supports even baking and roasting. This system can also reduce overall cooking time by up to 30% without compromising flavor or texture. With 13 cooking functions available, this oven handles everything from toast and bagels to pizza and slow-roasted meals. The spacious interior fits up to 9 slices of bread or a 14-pound turkey, making it suitable for family dinners and batch cooking. A non-stick interior coating and interior light further enhance usability and simplify cleanup. There you have it, our picks for the 5 best air fryer ovens in 2026. Each model offers unique features to match different cooking styles and budgets. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and buying guides.